of all, I have to welcome to all my students in my YouTube channel, that is Somnath Dhole Learn Well YouTube channel. My dear friends, you know better. While we are going to discussing about the grammar of our English, you know better there are so many types, so many parts of the grammar. But especially you know better, most important part or most important weightage that is given first of all in the particular type, that is the tense. Actually, my dear friends, you know better. Actually, you are familiar about this type of the tense, but still we are going to the flashback. I am going to be revise of the same topic, that is the tense. But my dear friends, before teaching learning the tense, there are some particular introduction point we have to studied very well. For example, actually you know better about the types of the tense, how the sentence that are changing from one tense to another tense. That is quite good thing. But prior, there are some introduction of before learning teaching process of the tense, we have to learn about first thing, that is you know better parts of speech. But most important thing, verb. Actually, everybody knows better what is mean by verb. Verb means action. Word is called the verb. I am not going to be throws light upon the types of the verb, but my intention is that throws light upon the forms of the verbs. Actually, forms of the verbs, you know better what are the forms of the verb. That is V1, V2, V3 and V4. These are the four forms of the verb. And we can call it in the present tense. That is V1 means present tense. After that, V2 means that is past tense. V3 means past participle of the main verb. V4 means ing. These are the four forms of the verb. While teaching learning process, we have to be consider forms of the verb. For example, V1, we have taken the right V1, that is present tense. V2, that is wrote. V3, that is written. And fourth form of the verb, that is VING, means writing. These are the four forms of the verb when we are going to be discussed about the tense. These are the basic knowledge about the learning tense. After that, we know better the basic for learning teaching process of the tense. Actually, how the formation of the particular personal pronouns. For example, we know better these are the personal pronouns. I, singular, we, you, he, she, it. I think that in 5th standard you have learned, but still we are going to revise. For example, these are the all I, you, he, she, it. These are the all in singular forms. For example, after that, so many students are confused. When we use do, when we use does, when we use have, when we are going to use the had, these are the confusion in the mind of the student, or shall or will. So first of all, let me clarify about such types of the part, that is I. For example, I do, you do, you do, you do. He, she, it does. Keep in mind. He, she, it does and they do. There must be question in your mind, why here is a does and rest of the person pronoun, why there is do? You know better, because these are the third person singular, so that purpose he, she, it carries the does. Suppose there may be any name of any person, at that time also we can use the does. Same thing about the have and has also. For example, I have, we have, you have, and he, she, it has. Keep it in mind. He, she, it has, and they have. This is the first of all we have to be learned here very well about this particular basic knowledge about the learning the tense. That is clarified. Suppose there may be any verb. For example, there may be verb of play. For example, I play, we play, you play, you play, he, she, it plays. Because same criteria, yes, we have add here. Same thing is that when in the simple present tense, when there may be verb, at that time yes or es that are added in front of that verb. So he, she, it plays and they play. This is the basic knowledge. Actually, you might be knowing about this basic knowledge. Let us go ahead. Afterwards, we are going to the main topic, that is the type of the tense. My dear friends, you know better there are main three types of the tense. That is the present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense, past tense and future tense.